guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I have a very exciting video for you today. So glad you're here. We have two new products to share today. One is a pre-order and one's available right now. So if you do order both on the same order, just be aware that your order will be on hold until the pre-order arrives. So I'm going to share this brand new awesome die designed by LV Handcrafted, who is Lynn on our design team. This die is called Easy Wonder Die number 1. It's number 1 in a series to come, and it's designed to help you use up your 6x6 pattern papers, create easy sketches, and create beautiful cards with ease. So on the back, she provided 4 different samples, how to put the pieces together. When you run this through your die cut machine, it'll cut out all these pieces with beautiful stitching. This die is 1 piece, and it's just slightly smaller than a 6x6 inch sheet of paper. So it's going to fit perfectly on your 6x6 inch sheet of paper. You can run that through 3 times, get 3 different variations, and mix and match your pieces to create beautiful cards. I'm going to share some cards I created. This is a pre-order, so you can go to the website right now. You'll have until March 1st to put your pre-order in. This does retail for $29.99. There'll be a drop-down menu with the option to add a class. So Lynn will be teaching an introductory class, and she's also teaching an advanced class using this die. So she'll give you lots of ideas, tips, tricks. So on the listing, you'll use the drop-down menu. You can choose, yes, I want the introductory class, or yes, I want the advanced class, or yes, I want both classes for a discount. So if you do get both classes, you do get $2 off. And then there's also an option to decline the class. So I had so much fun with this die, creating so many different cards. I can't wait for you to get your hands on this. So the pre-order will last 1 week, and then I'll put my order in, and the product will come in within 3 to 4 weeks. Your order will ship then. Your class link will be on your shipping confirmation email, so look out for that. And if for some reason you don't get that shipping confirmation, just email me and I will email you the link to the class. I'll also have the link to the class printed on your packing slip. So here's the second product. So this is a brand new paper pad called The Best Shoes. Beautiful designs by Monique Cannon. And then we came out with the coordinating die for this paper pad. So this is sold in a bundle. You can purchase that on the website as a bundle. I do have some of the single paper pads without the die available. When that sells out, I will place another order for more paper pads. That way, if you do get the die, you can always restock on this and always get your images for this paper pad. It's a gorgeous paper pad. Love the florals in here. Beautiful hearts and gold. Is that a basket weave? I'm not sure what the pattern is on there. Let me know in the comments down below what pattern this is. It's like at the tip of my tongue. This really cute girl, so I'm sure you're familiar with her. This is the girl from my logo. She is just totally adorable. We've got some high heel shoes and then a script that says shoes going across. That one says fashion. I also have a free download with this bundle. The link is on the listing in the description. There'll be a link to download some free sentiments. You can go and print them off and cut them out and use them on your cards. So this one says shoes, pretty hearts. We've got a hat with the high heels and the word shoes going across. And then here are your images that the die will cut out. Let me bring her in really close because she is just so pretty. I love her. She's holding her purse with a bunch of shopping bags. She's got a pretty little flower in her hair. There's some high heels, a little sign, some single flowers, this rose cluster, a latte cup, and a heart. And then you can just cut your dies out and then fit them around the images, put a little bit of washi tape so they don't move, and then run them through your die cutting machine. Got a nice solid there and this beautiful dainty floral pattern. And the girl with the floral pattern in the background, kind of faded out. Love that one. That one says fashion. Make sure I got all the prints in here because I did use some sheets from this paper pad to make my cards. Here are some of the sentiments you get from the free download. We've got celebrate in style. No one could ever fill your shoes. I did put some dimensional foam tape on the back so they're ready for when I make some more cards. We've got shopping is always a good idea. When the going gets tough, the tough go shopping. So you could cut these out and then just add them to your cards. Great friends are like your favorite shoes. I could give up shopping, but I'm no quitter. So there's really fun sentiments in there. There's a lot more that you get. Let me share the cards that I did. For my cards here, I did use the stamp set Spring Coffee, which is in the Spring Coffee bundle. I do have a few more bundles left. The die is sold out, but I do have maybe 3 or 4 bundles without the die left. So I used the sentiment for you. And then all these pieces here are from the Easy Wonder die number 1. So the only piece that you didn't get from cutting this out is your matte layer. So you can choose a pattern paper. You'll see I did some embossing. And then these are the images cut out with the die. They turned out beautiful. Here's card number 2. And the sentiment here was from that Spring Coffee set, Be You. And then I added some stickles to the gold parts of the images. Again, all these pieces are from the die. Here's card number 3. For the little sign, I used my white Jelly Roll pen and wrote in I Heart Shoes. And then added some stickles on the image. Added 2 little sparkly enamel dots at the bottom and at the top. And then you can see these little sentiments will go beautiful on your card. That looks really, really cute right there. Actually, I might even just put that on there. I really like that. And it fits just like perfect right there. This one's my favorite. This one says my treat. And there's the girl holding the shopping bags. And I did use the die to cut out another layer behind her, just a blank white sheet of paper to layer up on top of this. So now it's like a piece of chipboard and it's really nice and hard. I just really like the way that it looks and feels. And again, all of these cards are made using this Easy Wonder die number 1. It's going to make your card making a breeze. Here's another one. And this is using the So Tweet collection, our newest collection that released this February. And then I have the word smile on there. And then we have a Halloween one. This is the Spooky Witches collection. Really, really cute. And then the Sparkling Christmas Wishes collection for these 2 cards. This one I did some embossing on the background, used the ephemera, and then this one I stamped with some Distress Oxide inks, and then with my ephemera there. So As you can see, you can create so many different cards, and Lynn is going to show you some other cards. She's going to go over the sketches on the back in the introductory class, and then if you get the advanced class, she is going to go over some different cards that are not shown on the back, and I think you're going to really enjoy that. And you'll have access to the class as long as it's on YouTube. So as long as YouTube keeps the video up, you will have access to your class. You'll just have to bookmark it on your computer or save the link. You can save the video in your favorites. So the link to the products will be in the description box down below. Thank you so much for supporting, and thank you for supporting Lynn, who is LV Handcrafted, on her new journey with designing. So thank you so much, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys!